I'm so excited to announce to you guys version 2 of our AI marketing agency software. This is going to help you agency owners reduce churn and increase customer satisfaction dramatically. The biggest issues clients have when they're working with a marketing agency is they're paying all this money, 3, 4, 5 grand a month, and they feel like they're not communicating well with agency owners. So having this that you can give to your clients is really going to help you guys when you go to sell them. And it's also going to allow them to be way more satisfied with your service because they always know what you're doing. You're giving them access to tools and they can communicate with you seamlessly. So we build this software inside of Glide. That way it can exist as a web app where they can access it through any web browser or on their phone. And on their phone, they can add it to their home screen and it acts just like an app. So let's go ahead and dive into it and I'll show you guys some of the features and what you can do with this new marketing agency software. So when you go ahead and launch the app, we'll ask you to sign in. I'm already logged in here, as you can see. The first thing that they're going to be greeted with is an onboarding process where we get to learn a little bit more about their business. So here we're just using a sample of one of our clients. They're going to go ahead and enter their business name, an overview of their company. They can choose to upload a profile picture if they want. If not, they can just skip that. And then they'll be able to choose what reports they want to have generated for them. And on each report, they can go ahead and click into it. They can see what that report consists of. So they could get a market research report, which is going to go ahead and get a lot of research on their industry and their business so they can understand more about it. They're going to be able to have a SWOT analysis, a brand equity pyramid, social media strategy, and a standard operating procedure as well. So we go ahead and click create reports. And that will launch them into the homepage of the app. So when they're greeted with the homepage, this will show up as their profile picture if they uploaded one. If not, it'll just be a default image. Right here, they can track their tasks. So they can go ahead and make notes, be able to add new notes like this. Let's write what the task is we need to work on the website. You can go ahead and choose a due date when you need to get this task done by. And then go ahead and submit it and it'll show up there on their tasks. When they're done with the task, they can go ahead and click check. And if they want to go into the task, they can click on it, write any notes they have, and if they've completed it as well. Next thing that's really exciting about this software is offering AI agents to your guys' clients. So right here, we can see these different AI agents. These are the top 4. Social media manager, SEO agent, ad campaign manager, and email marketing automation. And when they go into these, they can just type in what they need, like 10 ideas for a social media post for a car dealer. Let's try that. Go ahead and click submit. Wait a few seconds for Glide AI to do its work. And then it'll go ahead and give you 10 different ideas that you guys can use. As we all know, AI is taking the marketplace by storm. So if your agency doesn't have some sort of AI to offer to customers, you're really at a disadvantage, and other companies are going to start to take over and create their own AI softwares that they can give to their clients as well. Next step, if you do any creative work for your clients, you can go ahead and upload creatives, and then your client can go ahead and come into this and look and view the creative. Once you've uploaded it, they can go ahead, if it's a carousel style post, slide through it, see the carousel. They can go ahead and see what the caption would be, see if they want to approve the content so that the agency can go ahead and post it, or they can leave any comments on anything they want changed. So then they'd be able to pretty much automate the process of uploading to their social media, and you can show them the creatives that you guys are going to post for them and not have to go back and forth so much. It's just pretty easy for them to tell you if that's what they like or if they need any changes. They'll also get a snapshot of when all their posts are this week. Then they'll have access to their calendar where they can see where all their to-do dates are coming up. They can write down any of their content ideas they have right here. That way you guys can get a better idea of how to suit the content towards their business. And if they have any of their own media that they want you guys to post for them, they can go ahead and choose it here, choose an image or a file, select which platforms they would want these to be posted on, any additional comments about what their vision is or captions, anything like that. And they can go ahead and give it a rating of how good they think it is. That way you're not wasting time with creatives that aren't the best and you guys want to use higher quality images. And then when they click upload, the agency would go ahead and receive that. On the AI agents tab, they're able to get access to the full list of AI agents, which you guys can look through here. And then on their dashboard, they can get a quick look at all their expenses, see how much money they're spending with you, even integrate the data of their other expenses that they're paying for. So that way they can keep track of their profit as well as their expenses. Then if we come into here, there's a few cool things that you can do. You can go ahead and make a directory of all the people who work at the agency. That way they can reach out and contact whoever they want to. And under the reports tab, this is where they could view their SWOT analysis that was created for their business. As you can see right here, this one did a pretty good SWOT for the company that we gave it. View all the other reports as well. Under My Files, they can upload any of the files that they want to have all hosted in this app. That way they can keep track of it and make sure it's all in the same place. And then another beautiful thing is that they can chat with you as the agency owner. So can you help me come up with some SEO keywords to help rank my website? And I said, sure, I'll get started on that research for you. That way they're not bombarding your email for simple things. You guys can just have a chat flow where you're talking back and forth. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase this, just head over to the Glide website. It'll be linked below in this video. And I'm excited to see how much success you guys have in your agency by implementing this. I promise it's going to be a game changer, especially with how much AI is going to be changing the digital marketing world.